Hey everyone! MetForm gives you the webhook facility, enabling real-time data transfer and triggering instant actions based on form submissions. Let's see how you can use webhook with MetForm. Access your WordPress dashboard, find MetForm, and navigate to Forms. Click on the Add New Form button. Give a name to your form. Choose the form type. Pick any template of your choice. Finally, click on the Edit Form button. You can see the form has appeared on the editor. Now, move to Form Settings. Go to the Integration tab, then enable the REST API option. To insert the URL or webhook, choose Post. Now we will get our unique URL from webhook.site website. Copy your unique URL. Return back to the form settings and insert your copied unique URL on the URL webhook field under REST API. Click on the Save Changes button. Lastly, click on the Update and Close button. To check the form, choose your form from Forms and click on the View option. Fill it up and submit. Finally, go to webhook.site and check the form values you have submitted are successfully entered. That's it for webhooks with MetForm. Thank you for watching.